Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a Squid Game Ghost. It's kind of more for Halloween, but I also love Squid Game. So it's gonna be simple, easy for beginners. The lesson's gonna be about 8 minutes. So stay all the way to the very end of the video because at the very end of 8 minutes you will have a brand new skill. Okay. Before that, if you love learning how to draw your favorite characters from anime, manga, from TV shows, cartoons, everything, movies, hit the subscribe button because when you subscribe and click the bell notification, that's going to let you know, you know, when I post. It's going to have a little, you'll see a little thumbnail of my drawing, that day scrolling by. Okay, so let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw kind of like a flat part of the head here for the ghost. That's kind of mostly what I'm thinking about, is like what the design I want for the ghost is. All right. I'm going to pull across over here for just kind of like, I'm thinking of a blanket falling. Right? Or do the Squid Game part of it a little bit later. Very, like how does drapery fall when it's going downward? Right. Something like so. And I want it to, kind of be elongated here, like the tail is going to be down there. So I want it to really, stretch all the way down. So what I'm really thinking about is like a essentially blanket, right? So I'm going to pull lines here, here, here as these folds. Right on, like so. Just kind of throwing in little lines here to show a little bit of folding, right? But it's all going one flow. That's the thing. It's all going one direction. And that's something you kind of have to remember about that. So now I'm going to put in the Squid Game part, right? They have icons or something, right? So what would it be? Like there's circle, excuse me, there's circle, there's square, and there's triangle. I'm going to do a square on this one. Well, I'm going to do a circle on this one. Right here. Circle. And draw another circle on the inside of that. All right. And what you can do is you can either fill in that circle black, it's kind of like backwards, or you could kind of fill in this entire thing dark. But I'm going to take the approach of just kind of filling in the circle. It's almost like a backwards version of it because normally the mask is dark. But on this one, I'm gonna reverse that. I have this circular symbol on there. What we can do here is we can throw in more folding in the fabric like this. So you just kind of throwing in lines above lines here so that it kind of does that. And I just kind of keep going here. I'm creating much more folds here because I think it looks kind of cool because the fabric will kind of do that. It's a little bit beyond what fabric would really do, right? Because it does have this ethereal, like, woo kind of feel. And something you can do so that it just doesn't look like a blanket in midair is you can throw right here a line along the bottom, and maybe you can, change the shape of that line just a bit to, have it like clearly this is in midair. And you can also throw another maybe back of the blanket over here, right? And let's fill that in dark. It gives the design weight, even though the ghost wouldn't have weight, right? It would be up in the air. It gives the design weight, right? This dark kind of down here. All right. And that's mostly it. Everything else would be kind of like, again, adding to, the folds with thinner lines here. You could even throw some stuff over here in this area. But it's up to you how much of these folds you add in. Hopefully, this is simple enough for you. If you got any value from this video, hit the like button. If you got any value from this video, if you the best way to pay back the channel would be to share the video. Whenever you share it, it actually helps out the algorithm to the channel, and also it brings back a lot of cool people in general. The way you do that is it takes 2 seconds, and it is 2 seconds to do that, and it is 2 seconds, and you go to the bottom right hand corner or so. I can forget where it is, but you press the share button, and you press share, and it will automatically share it to a certain whatever social media website. It could be Reddit, Twitter, Pinterest. Anywhere you share it, the better. When you do that, it's just an amazing thing. It helps us out so much. So thank you so much. If you do want to help the channel, it takes 2 seconds and it's free. That is it. I'm going to put up a lot more Halloween stuff. Let me know what else you want to see in the comments, and give me ideas. I take a lot of your ideas to heart, honestly. I've drawn a lot of your ideas. Like a lot of these mixtures are your ideas. So thank you. I will see you next time. If you ever want to just talk, you can talk to me in the comments there. Or you can reach out on Instagram. Instagram is Easy Pictures to Draw. I'm sorry. Yeah, Easy Pictures to Draw on Instagram. Thank you so much. I will let you go. See ya. Stay spooky, and also keep the drawings easy.